Welcome to another video of Kian.smart home. This is Ali Reza, and in this video I'll unbox Akuvox indoor monitor. This is IT83, an Android indoor monitor which can integrate third-party apps, actually APKs, so you can enjoy different types of services together, like home automation, audio-visual feature, and intercom. In the box there is quick guide, the monitor, two sockets, one 10 pin, the other 11 pins, and on wall installation bracket. This is IT83 out of the box. It has 10-inch capacitive touchscreen. You can order this device in two types: IT83R, which is standard version, or IT83A with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and camera added to the standard version. It has a memory slot, the front panel is aluminum. It has a built-in IPPBX. This brings more convenience to residents. This device also supports PoE and SIP. Let's have a look at the back of the device. It has two Ethernet ports, 8 channel inputs, 2 embedded relays, and 2 speakers. On one side of the device you can see the micro slot. This device has 2 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, also supports RS485 port. The resolution of display is 1280x800. Stay with me to power on the device. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button. Let's connect the power to the device. Okay, this is the first time the device is booted. The first step is setting network connection. I skip it because later I can set it. By default, Akuvox monitor hides the application display. To unhide it, I select more, then system info. In front of user permission, I click 10 times on user mode. I select admin mode, then touch confirm. Now if I go to the home page or main page, applications icon is added to the display. By touching it, you can select or see and select the apps. Let's connect the device to Wi-Fi network. I click on more, setting, more. The default password is 1234556. Now VLAN, turn it on, select the Wi-Fi router and enter the pin code. It is connected to Wi-Fi network. On the main page, I touch more, system info. In network section, you can see the IP it got in the network. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.